Welcome. Today we will learn about generative AI. What is generative AI? It is a branch of artificial intelligence that learns patterns from data and then creates new content like text, images, audio, video, or even code in response to a prompt. In short, it is a software that doesn't just analyze data like traditional AI, but actually produces original new content on demand. Now let's look at how this works in practice. There is an input, maybe some text or an image or even other types of multimedia data. Generative AI models, especially neural networks, get trained on huge data sets so that they can pick up on it on all sorts of structures and patterns in the data. Basically, they figure out which kinds of inputs tends leads to which kinds of outputs. These neural networks have different layers. So if you look at this diagram, so these neural networks have different layers. An input layer that takes in your data, hidden layers that process and transforms it, and then an output layer that produces the final response. It's in those hidden layers where the real magic happens. The model tries to understand relationship and context and builds up more abstract representation as it goes deeper. Another key point is that generative AI often uses something called self-supervised learning. Instead of needing lots of labeled examples, the model can teach itself by predicting parts of data from other parts. This helps it really understand and mimic the structure of the data, enabling it to generate realistic new content. So when you prompt a generative AI system like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even a Claude or whatever, it processes your request through these layers and generates something brand new that fits your input, maybe a sentence, an image, or a short audio or a video clip. That's basically the core idea. So generative AI learns from massive data sets, identifies patterns, and then goes beyond prediction or classification to create original content. Hope that clarifies things. Thanks for watching.